Hello and welcome. If you've been thinking about starting a food business in Nigeria but don't know where to begin, then this guide is for you. Whether you're a student, an NYSC member, a stay at home mom, a worker looking for extra income, or a complete beginner, this guide will show you exactly how to start, sell, and grow a profitable food business. The best part? You don't need restaurant experience before you can start. Inside this guide, you'll learn how to choose the right food business, the equipment you'll need, how to buy ingredients wisely, price your food correctly, package it professionally, attract customers, increase your profits, and grow into a successful food brand. Let's get started. Why is the food business one of the best businesses to start in Nigeria? The answer is simple. People eat every single day. Food is one of the few businesses that will always have customers because eating is a daily necessity. You can start with a small amount of money, sell for cash every day, work from home, and gradually grow into a full-time business. Some of today's biggest restaurants started from a very small kitchen. Benefits of starting a food business. A food business gives you daily cash flow. Happy customers keep coming back. It's easy to market your food online and offline. You can start from your own kitchen without renting a shop. As your business grows, you can expand into catering, event supplies, and even open your own restaurant. You can also employ workers and build a long-term business. How much money do you really need? The truth is, you don't need millions before starting. For example, around 20,000 naira can help you start with simple foods like puff puff, zobo, chapman, chin chin, popcorn, or small portions of fried rice. With 50,000 naira, you can start a small rice business, baking, snacks, or even small catering services. As your profits increase, you simply reinvest and grow. Always remember, start with what you have. Don't wait for perfect conditions. Choosing the right food business. There are many profitable options. Rice meals like jollof rice, fried rice, white rice, coconut rice, native rice, and ofada rice. Traditional soups like egusi, ogbono, vegetable soup, bitter leaf soup, pepper soup, and banga. Snacks including puff puff, chin chin, donuts, meat pie, fish roll, spring rolls, and samosas. Drinks like chapman, zobo, tiger nut drink, kunu, smoothies, and milkshakes. You can also sell small chops, cakes, desserts, and many other food items. Choose one category, master it, and grow from there. Equipment you'll need. You don't need expensive equipment immediately. Start with the basics: a large cooking pot, gas cooker, knives, cutting board, mixing bowls, measuring cups, serving spoons, storage containers, food flasks, aprons, disposable gloves. As your business grows, you can upgrade your equipment gradually. Buying ingredients. The guide also contains ingredient lists and estimated costs for different food categories. You'll find examples for rice meals, soups, snacks, and drinks to help you understand what you'll likely spend before cooking. Remember, prices change depending on your location and market conditions. Always compare prices before buying. Recipes. This guide introduces many delicious Nigerian meals. However, the complete recipes, exact ingredient measurements, and step-by-step cooking methods are available inside the Food Game Recipe Collection. If you truly want to master Nigerian cooking, that complete recipe book will help you prepare meals confidently, even as a beginner. Packaging. Presentation matters. Customers eat with their eyes first. Use clean food bowls, leak-proof containers, paper bags, transparent cups, cake boxes, food flasks. Avoid weak nylons, dirty containers, broken lids, or poor presentation. Professional packaging builds trust and attracts repeat customers. Pricing your food. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is guessing prices. Instead, calculate every cost: ingredients, gas, packaging, transport. Then add your desired profit. For example, if ingredients cost 15,000 naira and you produce 15 food packs, your ingredient cost becomes 1,000 naira per pack. If your estimated gas used is 1,500 naira, that becomes 100 naira per pack. Packaging costs 200 naira. Transport costs another 200 naira. Then you add your 1,000 naira profit. your final selling price becomes 2,500 naira per pack. Always calculate before selling. Never guess. Where can you sell your food? If you're a student, sell in hostels, school gates, tutorial centers, sports events, fellowships, and department gatherings. If you're a stay-at-home mom, sell within your church, neighborhood, schools, offices, estate groups, and WhatsApp contacts. If you're working, take weekend orders, evening orders, office lunch supplies. Promote your food on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and delivery platforms. Customers are everywhere. You simply need to make your food visible. How to get customers? Tell your friends first. Post consistently on WhatsApp status. Create short videos on TikTok. Use Instagram. Post on Facebook. Offer referral discounts. Sell in churches, schools, offices, and always reward loyal customers. One happy customer can bring many more customers. How to increase your profits? Buy ingredients in bulk. Reduce food waste. Cook in batches. Increase the average amount each customer buys. Sell drinks alongside meals. Offer combo packages. Upsell desserts. Reward loyal customers. Small improvements can make a huge difference in your income. Growing your business. Start from home. Upgrade your equipment. Employ workers. Register your business. Open your own kitchen. Supply events. Then, eventually, open your own restaurant. Growth happens one step at a time. Bonus section. This guide also includes valuable bonus chapters. You'll discover common mistakes new food vendors make and how to avoid them, food safety and hygiene tips, business name ideas, marketing content ideas, and a daily startup checklist to keep your business organized. These practical lessons can save you time, money, and costly mistakes. Get the food game today. Link in bio to start cooking.